Welcome to my channel Quizzes and Answers. 50 mixed grammar quiz. Please subscribe my channel. Question number 1. That exam was dash. A. Difficult. B. Difficulty. The correct answer is A. Difficult. Question number 2. The road extends dash the countryside. A. Along. B. Over. Correct answer is A. Along. Question number 3. He dash in the restaurant for 4 hours now. A. Works. B. Is working. The correct answer is B. Is working. Question number 4. The shortcut takes you dash the first. A. Through. B. Around. The correct answer is A. Through. Question number 5. I can't dash to buy a new car. A. Spend. B. Afford. The correct answer is B. Afford. Question number 6. I noticed dash jacket hanging by the door. A. Him. B. His. The correct answer is B. His. Question number 7. He goes to school dash foot. A. By. B. On. The correct answer is B. On. Question number 8. Choose the synonym of elegant. A. Graceful. B. Clumsy. The correct answer is A. Graceful. Question number 9. Mark is good dash 10. A. At. B. With. Correct answer is A. At. Question number 10. She dash compliments for her outstanding performance. A. Earned. B. Earned. The correct answer is A. Earned. Question number 11. They dash a new car next month. A. Will buy. B. Bought. Correct answer is A. Will buy. Question number 12. The team dash in the lead for most of the game. A. Stay. B. Has stayed. The correct answer is has stayed. Question number 13. She dash a book when I saw her. A. Reads. B. Was reading. The correct answer is B. Was reading. Question number 14. She found dash wallet. A. My. B. Mine. The correct answer is A. My. Question number 15. I dash my car this morning. A. Wash. B. Washed. The correct answer is B. Washed. Question number 16. The dog sat dash the doorstep. A. By. B. Above. The correct answer is A. By. Question number 17. I have dash sugar left in the jar. A. Little. B. Few. The correct answer is little. Question number 18. Whose shoes are these? Are they dash A. my, B, mine. The correct answer is B, mine. Question number 19. The sun is shining dash it's a beautiful day. A and B, so. The correct answer is B, so. Question number 20. He and they dash complete the project by the end of the month. A or B, will. The correct answer is B, will. Question number 21. I will go to the store dash buy some grocery. A and B, but. The correct answer is A and. Question number 22. He played a beautiful dash. A, singing. B, song. The correct answer is B, song. Question number 23. He can't stand dash in long lines. A, wait. B, waiting. The correct answer is B, waiting. Question number 24. She received a thoughtful dash a gift. B, examination. The correct answer is A, gift. Question number 24. The horse is dash fast. A, ran. B, running. The correct answer is B, running. Question number 26. Select the correct spelling. A, OCCASION. B, OCCASSION. Correct answer is OCCASION. Question number 27. Dash it sleep under the table every day. A, have. B, does. The correct answer is B, does. Question number 28. She read an dash novel. A, inspired. B, inspiring. The correct answer is B, inspiring. Question number 29. I wish I dash how to swim when I was younger. A, no. B, knew. Correct answer is B, knew. Question number 30. Select the correct spelling. A, DEFINITELY. B, DEFINITELY. The correct answer is A. Question number 31. We have lunch dash 5:30. A, at. B, in. The correct answer is A, at. Question number 32. The hikers walked dash the trail. A, along. B, over. The correct answer is A, along. Question number 33. Oxford is dash English University. A, the. B, an. The correct answer is B, an. Question number 34. The shoes are under the table, not dash it. A, beside. B, on. The correct answer is A, beside. Question number 35. I dash to put some petrol in the car. A, need. B, should. The correct answer is A, need. Question number 36. She dashed at the movie theater yesterday. A, sleeps. B, slept. The correct answer is B. Slept. Question number 37. What dash you doing last night? A. Were. B. Was. The correct answer is A. Were. Question number 38. The customers dash for the restaurant to open. A. Wait. B. Were waiting. The correct answer is B. Were waiting. Question number 39. He is dash the window. A. Opening. B. Opens. The correct answer is A. Opening. Question number 40. The students dash the instructions. A. Ignored. B. Chased. The correct answer is A. Ignored. Question number 41. I dash Sam the town a few days ago. A. Did saw. B. Saw. The correct answer is B. Saw. Question number 42. She dash a strong interest in photography. A. Has. B. Have. The correct answer is A. Has. Question number 43. What dash you do last weekend? A. Were. B. Did. The correct answer is B. Did. Question number 44. The library usually dash at 7 p.m. A. Open. B. Opens. The correct answer is B. Opens. Question number 45. She's been dash her room all morning. A. Cleaning. C. B. Cleans. Correct answer is A. Cleaning. Question number 46. The bike belongs to dash. A. Hers. B. Her. The correct answer is B. Her. Question number 47. She is dash than her cousin. More pretty. B. Prettier. The correct answer is B. Prettier. Question number 48. She has bought dash new clothes for the trip. A. Little. B. Many. The correct answer is B. Many. Question number 49. He usually dash office at 9 a.m. A. Goes. B. Is going. The correct answer is A. Goes to. Question number 50. The main ingredient in bread flour. Question number 50. The main ingredient in bread dash flour. A or B is the correct answer is B